Hi everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Welcome back to day 23 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I cannot believe that we are on day 23. It's Christmas Eve, as we always say in our house, so things are really coming together. We only have 3 gifts left. This is one of them. I'm sad to see it end. I will have a recap, usually on the 26th or 27th, where I'll go over everything and kind of talk about the value, and I'll add in at the time the box and the shipping and all of that wonderful stuff too, which I know some of you pointed out to me. So many people guessed an ornament, many people guessed a snow globe. I'm anxious to see what it is, and I have my scissors ready to go. So let's open it up. All right. This one had a big old sticker on it holding it shut. All right, so we have some styrofoam. Let's see. I mean, it's so big, like my hand, although I have a small hand, but it won't even hold on. Oh, by the way, I got new glasses. What do you think? Still not sure about them, and I got my nails done yesterday. Feeling much better. Right back to normal. All right. Oh, look what it is. It's a mug. I think a few people guessed that too. This is beautiful. Quilters are peacemakers. Okay, I'm just gonna review this for a minute, okay? I love it. I think it's beautiful. I love the color, but look at my, do you see? That is printed crooked. Not a big deal. I'm not complaining. It just, that's gonna bug me. All right, I'm gonna get the one from last year so we can compare them. I'll be right back. All right, so again, in Missouri Stars colors, these are some of their branding colors. You can see the 2 mugs. So this is last year. I wonder if every year they're gonna do a mug. That would be kind of nice. I am a little disappointed that that's crooked, but again, I'm not complaining. It's just the way it goes. And you know what? I'm sure it's just, it happens, right? With printing stuff. So I love this. This is great. I love that I have 2 now. How awesome is that? All right, I'm gonna put that back in there so I don't break it. Okay, now we're going to guess for Christmas Eve. So sad, but so exciting too. I'm guessing, so I'm gonna lift it up. Warning, warning, warning. Here we go. All right, this is day 24. I think it's a book, like a novel type book. That's what it feels like to me. I don't know. Yeah, definitely. I think it's like a paperback book. That would be nice, especially if it's like a quilting theme. I like it. That's day 24. We're getting there. All right, so we're gonna talk about value. The sewing kit, which I have right here, I love this, and I did try the rotary cutter. Now this little rotary cutter, you can buy these. I found one on Amazon. Clover makes one. I can't figure out how to change the blade yet, but I'm still working on it. Also, this lid is magnetic, and you can see I have a needle on there. That's really nice. I used this last night just to sit and do some hand sewing, and it's really nice. I don't know when I'll use the rotary cutter, but you know what? When I need one, I'm probably gonna be glad I have it. The little scissors are very sharp, and so is the seam ripper. So it's a really great little kit. I'm placing a value of $20 on this, mostly because that little mini rotary cutter through Clover is like $11. And then I just think that it's just a great, really high quality sewing kit. I also heard that on Jenny's video, this is their fabric, so that's kind of cool too, that's inside. So it's a really nice one. I'm sticking with $20. That brings our grand total for the value of this box to $330, which is $150.05 over what I paid for this box. I think that's fantastic. I am really thrilled with it. I love the mug. A little disappointed that it's off center, but you know what? That's okay, because I'm not gonna like everything. I'm not gonna like everything. I go into it knowing that, right? But it is beautiful. I love the color. It's great. It's gonna look really cute on my shelf in my sewing room. That's what I use this one for. I stick receipts in it for my business. This one, I don't know what I'll designate it for, but something. All right, I hope you have, I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, thank you for all the love on the tree. I'll see you tomorrow for Christmas Eve. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.